Assalamu alaikum everyone. This video is about classification of plants. So let's start. Plants are classified into two main groups. First is flowering plants. Second, non-flowering plants. First of all, flowering plants in detail. Flowering plants are plants that produce flowers. These flowers develop into fruits and seeds which help in reproduction of new plants. Flowering plants are the most common plants around us. They are further divided into two groups. First is monocot, second is dicot. Monocot. Monocots are flowering plants that have one cotyledon. It means seed leaf in their seeds. They have parallel veins in their leaves and fibrous roots. Examples of monocots are wheat, maize, rice, etc. Now, dicot. Dicot are plants that have two cotyledons in their seeds. They have net like veins in their leaves and taproot system. It means they have taproot system. Examples of dicots are rose, sunflower, mango, etc. Now come towards non-flowering plants. Non-flowering plants are plants that do not produce flowers. They reproduce through spores or cones. These plants are usually simpler in structure. Non-flowering plants are further divided into many groups like ferns, mosses, algae, bryophytes, gymnosperms. Ferns. Ferns are non-flowering plants that have true roots, stem, and leaves. They reproduce through spores. Examples of ferns are Taris, Adiantum, etc. Mosses. Mosses are small, soft, non-flowering plants that grow in damp and shady places. They do not have true roots and they reproduce through spores. Examples of mosses are Funaria, Sphagnum, etc. Third is algae. Algae are non-flowering plants mostly live in water. They do not have true roots, stem, and leaves. They reproduce through spores. Examples of algae are green algae, brown algae, etc. Bryophytes. Bryophytes are small, non-flowering, and non-vascular plants that usually grow in moist and shady places. They do not have roots, stem, and leaves. They also reproduce through spores. Examples of bryophytes are liverworts. Now the last one is gymnosperms. Gymnosperms are non-flowering plants that produce cones instead of flowers. Their seeds are not enclosed in fruits. Examples of gymnosperms are pine, fir, cedar, etc. Thanks for watching.